Yummies! Pinoy henyo na kasama ng mga pares na mga maglolo at maglola. Tawagin muna natin ang ating stewardess.
Gusto ko na kumain.
Oh, eto na eh. Stewardess Syla, report to Captain Soto.
What's our food?
I prepared a very famous biscuit from Cebu.
Famous biscuit?
Maybe that's
From
allowed.
Cebu.
Yes, sir. It's very crunchy. It's
Crunchy.
Otap!
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 Is your Otap delicious?
Yes, sir. My Otap is delicious.
Ooh, Otap is yummy.
It's yummy. Very yummy.
Your Otap.
Is it clean?
It's clean. I washed it.
Ooh.
It's crunchy. Your Otap.
Yeah, okay, we'll try.
Let's get glam. Glam, 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 glam. Let's get glam.